here we go. Oh! He's not having it. Alright, here we go. Yo!
He is not happy.
Hey, it's just cake!
He's protecting
Look
his
at the
cousin.
tail!
Alright, buddy. It's just cake.
Whoa! He thinks you're hurting his twin! Okay, I won't.
This is the best thing I've ever
Look
seen.
at his tail. Here we go. Okay, you win.
He thinks you're about to hurt his twin!